Today we are going to show you how to repair a KONKA which has a problem of backlight, or KONKA which has damaged red. You see, this is a KONKA 14 inches, and if you see well, it has two sides. This side has enough light, while in this side there is absent of light. You see, it is displaying in two sides. You see that screen is displaying well, but inside there the light is very low. Then we are going to show you how to open and separate each. Take screen careful and keep it, and repair those red which are damaged. Don't miss. Which has that problem, remove this and take screen or panel, separate it with backlight. Remember that panel, you have to take it careful because it's easy to be damaged. Prepare it for keep the panels. Remove everything, you see. You have to remove it careful. You see, these are the white paper projector. These are mostly useful for projecting these lights in backlight. You see, these are reds. These are reds of this TV. These reds are mostly used to produce those lights in this backlight. You see that it has 4 lines. Four lines of reds. If you see that it has 4 reds, but only 2 are working. You see, these 2 lines are not working. That's why you see that it has 2 sides in display. The one part is displaying, but other there is no light. It's caused by these 2 reds was damaged. You see, this is a red tester. We are going to measure one by one in these 2 in order to check which red was damaged. The better solution is to replace those both reds, but before we have to measure each red in order to specify the red which was damaged. What we are doing here is to open the screws in order to get access on these reds. You have to be careful for opening these screws. You see that this is red tester. This one is mostly used to measure each red in order to see where there is a problem, or which red was the marked. You see, this is a positive probe or a positive pin. This is a negative. We use this to test each red. You see, we are going to measure the side, the red on the side which does not writing or which does not working. You see that in each red there is a polarity. That's why you use this. You take a negative and a positive according to the indication on your red. You see that in this side, these reds are, this one is working, you see, then another one, you see that this one is not working. That means when there is, because these reds are connected in series, when one has a problem, it make a cause, it broke another one. That's why you see that all above sides is not working. It's only this one which has a problem, but also this one cannot work because are connected in series. You see that this one is working, this one is not working. This one is the one cause this to be not work because this one has a problem. You see, what we are going to do in order to solve this problem is to replace this reds. We remove this all and we put in another one which is working. You see that we are going to replace this line because we saw that this line is not working. These are the red which we are going to replace this one. You see that it has two parts. This one is A. You see that it is written here, while this one is B. You see that we are going to replace them. You connect them together, then remove this one completely.